Bonjour, bonjour, baguette de saucisson. You're probably wondering why I'm talking French, because today we get to talk about something that's been around since 1605. It's a secret recipe only known by 3 monks. Today we talk about Chartreuse. So what is Chartreuse? Well, it's a place in the southeastern part of France, at the bottom of the Alps, in between Italy and Switzerland. It's also a liqueur made by Caruthian monks from the Order of Chartreuse with 132 herbs and different plants. You see, in 1605 in Paris, the Caruthian monks were given a manuscript that had a recipe for the elixir of life. It was called the Elixir de Végétal de la Grande Chartreuse, and that's when they started producing the first version of Chartreuse. The recipe wasn't completed until 1737, 132 years later. So why did it take so long, you ask? Because many of the ingredients were found in the First Crusades and when they started working on the spice routes. So it took many, many years before a lot of these herbs, spices and botanicals were readily available. It was sold as a medicine, and people would just add a few drops to a spoon to help with digestion, or they would also pour it with some hot water, lemon and even some honey to get rid of the flu and colds. Although the Elixir Végétal was 71% alcohol. It was the first time that liqueur had been put on a bottle, and people even think that they actually created the word liqueur. It's also available in yellow and green. So what's the difference between yellow and green Chartreuse, you ask? Well, the yellow Chartreuse was created afterwards in 1840. It's also sweetened with honey, and it's lower in ABV and a lot easier and approachable to drink. They use the same 132 botanicals, although in different proportions and different maturation times. All the colours in the Chartreuses are natural, and the green comes from chlorophyll in the plants. The herbs are matured in separate tanks, blended together, and it's best said to drink these chilled. Let's give the yellow a try. On the nose, I get honey, aniseed, tarragon, not overpowering at 40% ABV. Honeyed sweetness, mint, herbaceous, and really smooth to drink. The finish, peppermint, black pepper, a little bit of heat, but like a ginger heat, and that really nice soothing honey flavour as well. I really enjoy it. Time to try the green. Definitely stronger. Herbal, pungent. Still get that aniseed and fennel as well. A lot stronger, pungent, herbaceous, floral as well. Very, very easy to drink. And the finish is just like a warm peppermint aniseed flavour. So serving suggestions, I like it neat or on ice. The yellow goes really well in a frappe with some crushed ice. Even the yellow is great in an Alaska cocktail, which is just gin and yellow Chartreuse, equal portions. The green, fantastic in a last word. If you haven't had a last word, we've got on the link below the recipe for it. I like to just drink it neat, put it on my ice cream. It goes really well with soda in a highball. Even try making a mojito with Chartreuse. It's fantastic. So guys, I hope you've learnt a little bit about Chartreuse today. We'll see you again soon.